is? It's your girl Frenchy Francesca. Hold on. It's your girl Frenchy Francesca, and I am back again with another video. Today we're gonna be doing pepper steak. I'm making pepper steak today while I have a little bit of something to drink. All right, guys, come with me. Hey, so I have everything set up right here for you guys. I have green peppers and red peppers. I have the steak that I'll be using today. Gotta cook with sazon. Come on, if you're not cooking with sazon, what are you cooking with? For real, come on, what are you cooking with? Gotta get your sazon. Leave that adobo alone and mess with sazon. All right? Then we got our white rice right here. Come on now. Come on. You know. Gotta get that steak sauce. All right? Gotta get that steak sauce. So I'm gonna be cooking a mid-ass steak. Before I begin, I gotta get something out of the fridge. Come on. You already know it's that vibe. Malibu is my favorite drink, so I'm gonna be sipping and cooking at the same time. Isabella is in her room. I can see her from right here. Okay, so she's good. She has her snacks, she has her water, she has her elmo. All right, she's actually watching Sing. She loves that movie, OMG. We're watching that movie every single day for, I don't know how long, but we still watching it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour myself a nice little cup and we're gonna get it started, okay? We're not celebrating life. We're celebrating life. Whoever's watching this video, if you're under 21 years old, you cannot be drinking. Make sure you guys are drinking responsibly while you're cooking. You don't wanna burn your kitchen, all right? All right, cool. So salud to health, prosperity, wealth, all that. Keep the vibrations high. You gotta manifest every day. If you want something manifested, you're not gonna get it. It's not gonna land in the palm of your hands, all right? Think about what you want. Ask the universe. Matter of fact, don't ask the universe. You tell the universe what you want. Put some work in and you'll get it. You're gonna get it. I promise you, and that's how it works. Listen, manifest the right way. All right? So, to manifestation, salud. All right, guys. Oh, that's so good. All right, so we're gonna get it started. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my peppers. Gotta make sure you wash your peppers. Make sure you wash your vegetables thoroughly. Right? Wash your peppers. Ooh, that Malibu is so good. Wash your peppers. It's steak. Make sure it's nice and tender. Me, I'm a clean person, so I like to clean as I go. I like to keep things clean as I cook. You know what I mean? My mom taught me well, all right? Mommy, you taught me well. If I start acting crazy, it's the Malibu. We're gonna start chopping our peppers. Chop.
Oh no!
My little cutting board keeps moving. This is what we do in a restaurant. Alright? You just put a wet cloth at the bottom and it's not gonna move. I promise you, it's gonna stay exactly where it's at. Don't cut yourself either. Be careful. Be careful. You don't want to cut yourself. Alright? And finish up with these peppers. I love you so much, Pepper. You want to give gratitude to your food too. You know what I mean? This is going in your body while you're cooking it. Be grateful. Be grateful for it. You know what I mean? So while you're cooking it, I'm so grateful for this food. This food is so delicious. You know what I mean? Talk to your food. Talk to your food. I talk to my food sometimes. Maybe it's because I'm crazy, or maybe it's because of something. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and finish this up and show you what I'm gonna go over here. I don't cook as often as I should cook. You know what I mean? I just don't have a real big passion for cooking. I don't know, because of, let me talk to you guys. I have such a bad habit of talking to you. Stop doing what I'm doing and talking to you guys. So I think Bella is calling me. 1 second. Okay, so I have the peppers with the steak in there. What are we doing next? So what are we doing? We're grabbing a sazon. What happened? Baby, I thought you was chilling. So Bella's here with me, and we're gonna drop the sazon. I usually use about 3 to 4 packets of sazon. I'm gonna open it, baby, and you can go ahead and toss that in there, okay? Come on. Ready? Hold it. And then, woo! Good job. Ooh, Bella's cooking steak. Oh yeah. Good job, baby. Look at that finger though. Look at it. Love gang. That's what we call it. Every time she does this, me, Maya, and Lloyd, love gang. Love gang. So cute. All right, baby. Good job. Good job. Good job, Mama. She just showed wow. Go ahead and add that last. We gotta mix it up. Go ahead and mix that up. We're adding the steak sauce. So what about opening with my mouth? So what? Alright guys, so go ahead and add that. I'm a jokester, so if you're trying to be serious, you can go ahead. Your girl's not gonna be serious, alright? Woo! Go ahead, girl. Go ahead and add all of that up. Alright. Add a little bit of water. A little bit of more water. Go ahead, Isabella. Go ahead and touch it. Jesus. Throw that out. Mira, no toque. Here. So what you're doing? You're mixing everything up. Make sure that the steak has sauce all over it, top, bottom. Alright. Steak looks pretty good. It's literally drenched in the steak sauce. We're gonna cover that up. And then we're gonna make our white rice in this pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. Oh yeah! Oh, look good. You want to see? You want to see what I got going on here? Alright. Then we got the rice going on right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait till the food finishes. Sit my little Malibu. So yeah, so as far as manifestation, we're at a time now, like I feel like we're at a spiritual war. You know what I mean? Like there's so much going on in the world, the physical world itself, that little did you know there's a lot going on in the world, in the spiritual warfare. You know what I mean? There's a lot going on. So guys, if you're a spiritual person, you and I will click. Alright, I'm a spiritual person. I love talking about energy, vibes, planets, the universe, space, science. Like I'm into all of that stuff. You know what I mean? So if you're into that, you and I will be great friends, because that's all we'll be talking about. Besides how good my man is. Now let me stop. I'm telling you, I be bugging out. When I first woke up, I was about 22 years old. Before I was 22, I didn't know nothing. I was just living life like a regular little paloma, like a regular person. You know what I mean? And I got into this company. This is a true story. It's true facts. So listen up if you want to know more about me. When I was about 21 or 22, I got into this network marketing company. Not gonna tell you the name because I just don't want to. I don't want to tell you their name. One of my brother's friends got me into this network marketing company. It's a travel company. So if you knew me back then, when I was in my early 20s, if you knew me back then, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, I used to go hard trying to get everybody down with the company, with my team and everything. And that network marketing company is what woke me up. Now you ask, what about that company? Friend, what about that company that woke you up? Like every job, well not every job, but I would think that if I join a company, a network company or thing in those lines, they would have some personal development or coaches to coach you through mentally. You know what I mean? To get you ready for the world, to get you ready to go out there and speak to people. You know what I mean? And give you courage. Listening to just different success stories, that taught me a lot. You know what I mean? But anyway, I feel like I'm going sidetracked, and that's what happens every time I sip. Oh yeah, what happened? So the network marketing company that I was with taught me personal development, and that's what woke me up. And the reason why I joined was because I felt like I didn't have anything going for me. You know what I mean? I was working at an Italian restaurant. It's called Mangia. All right, for those of you who know me, knows Mangia, baby, right? So we used to run around the store talking about Manja baby. Manja baby. Right, baby? What happened? You tired? She's tired. But let me finish telling you guys really quickly before I put her to bed. So yeah, that woke me up. I used to do personal development. Oh, before I even continue that, I felt like I needed something more. I felt like I was... You gonna keep interrupting me? I had to give her a pop for her to chill. But anyway, so I felt like I needed to be a part of something. I felt like I was living without a purpose. If anyone ever felt like that, yo, that's not a good feeling. You feel empty inside. You feel a void. You feel like something is missing, right? So that's exactly what I was missing. I was missing the knowledge of someone telling me, you're your higher self. You know what I mean? I missed the knowledge. No one ever sat me down and spoke to me about spirituality. You know what I mean? And about energy and all of that. I didn't know anything about that until I was about early 20s, like I said. So yeah, I don't eat pork, I don't eat beef. I'm cooking steak right now. It's for my man. You know what I mean? It's for my fiance, and I'm cooking steak, but you know, cause I know how to cook. I know how to cook, and it's for my man. So, you know what I mean? I know about this. I know manifestation. I know about higher self. I know about affirmations. You gotta do these things. Keep yourself right up here. You know what I mean? So with that said, I'm gonna leave that right there, guys, and I'm gonna show you the end result of my steak, my pepper steak, okay? So this is the end result. Got the steak with the white rice and the little steak sauce. Deliciousness. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned how to make some good steak, and I hope you enjoyed today's conversation. I'll see you guys at the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.